Your boss doesn't read your reports anymore. He watches your pulse and your pupils through the camera lens. The algorithm knows you're tired before you do, and it cuts your pay in an instant. Welcome to management by biology. In scenario B, the code doesn't need your permission to measure your worth. It simply feels your heartbeat and calculates your price. This is the ultimate surveillance. The system doesn't care about your excuses. It only cares about your peak efficiency. You cannot lie to an algorithm that can sense your stress through the glass screen. Your body is the new interface. If your cortisol levels spike, you are flagged as a liability. The system keeps you on the edge of burnout for maximum profit. You are competing with a machine that never tires, never sleeps, and never feels pain. In this world, your biological limits are seen as a technical glitch that needs to be optimized or deleted. The social contract has been replaced by a biometric script. You are a prisoner of your own data, navigating a market that knows your fears better than you do. The algorithm tracks your micro-expressions to predict your next move. It knows when you are about to quit, when you are lying, and when you are losing hope. There is no privacy in the grid. Your internal world has been mapped and monetized. In scenario B, your very soul is just another data set to be harvested by the highest bidder. We've traded our biological freedom for a paycheck that barely covers the cost of staying alive. We are the fuel for a machine that doesn't even know we exist. It is a cold calculation. The middle class has been deleted. You are either the master of the algorithm or a disposable asset within its relentless, unfeeling calculations. Stay sharp. Stay invisible if you can. Next time, we look at the energy divide and the heat of the machine. I will see you in the shadows of the new world. Subscribe to survive the biometric dictatorship of Scenario B.